Good morning from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location. And today we're going to take a look at this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is showing just under 75,000 miles. Finished in this stunning sunset orange pearlescent paint job. Really presents nicely, such a unique spec, especially with all the black accents. Now via the listing on AlphaCars.com, you can find the Carfax report showing this is indeed a one-owner vehicle, serviced at Chrysler Jeep dealerships in Massachusetts. Seems to be very well cared for. Also on the listing, you'll find paint depth meter readings showing this is all indeed original paint. No body work done to this vehicle. It does feature plenty of desirable options. As you can see on the hood there, it does have the Willys decals. That's part of the Willys Wheeler package, which is over a $6,000 option from the factory. Features some nice decals and visual additions, as well as these rock rails. Nice steps. You can see they're not beat up. This car hasn't been off in the woods. It also features very nice mud tires. Now we actually just replaced these. These are brand new tires. You can see the paint markings still on them. It also features an upgraded differential from Jeep out of the factory. And this paint job really pops on a sunny day like this. Has gone through our detailing department. You can see all of the finish looks great. Spare wheel and tire, excellent shape as well. All the wheels, you do get these nice black finish wheels. Nice little Willys Jeep logo on there. A little bit of heritage. Nice diamond plate panels here on the hood. And this aftermarket front fascia really gives it a nice aggressive and unique presence on the road. So in just a moment, I'll cut away and give you a little tour of the interior, show you the condition there, and I'll start it up, let you hear the engine running. Alrighty, moving on to the interior. You can see the seats here. The bolsters aren't showing much of any wear from sliding in and out. You can see even just here on the inside of the door, this is normally where you're going to see a lot of the corrosion and the little seams like this one here. As you can see, none to report, even on the door latch there. All around, looks very nice. Hopping inside. I did put the top down today. This car does feature the canvas folding top, as you can see stowed in the back. Also being a Wrangler, you can remove the doors quite easily. Just lifts right off the hinges, disconnects there, and then you can have a pretty unique experience cruising down the beach. See, it does have these orange surrounds on all of the knobs for the controls here. Matches the exterior paint, gives it a pretty unique look. Dashboard is in great shape. See all the buttons on the steering wheel and throughout your controls. All looking very nice. Minimal, if any, wear to report. So I'll put the key in the ignition, start it up. See, just under 75,000 miles. Fires right up, idling very happily. Climate controls, heat blows hot, air conditioning blows very cold. Automatic windows in the front. So now I'll bring you up to the engine bay, let you hear the engine idling, show you how clean this engine bay is. It's really tremendous. So here under the hood, we see Jeep's 3.6 liter V6. I mean, wow, look at this engine bay. Super clean. A lot of these Jeeps have spent a lot of time off-road, and that really tends to show in the engine bay. Nothing to hide in here. It looks excellent. All the plastics are in great shape. All the caps haven't lost any of their text or color. See, even down near the exhaust. Super, super clean up front. Nice battery. All the connections are solid. No corrosion to be seen. And this is ideal, especially on a Jeep Wrangler such as this one. You can hear it's idling quite happily. And I've driven this car, runs very smooth, shifts smooth, no issues to report whatsoever. And lastly, moving on to the rear seats. Consistent with the condition of the rest of the vehicle, very clean. Again, inside of the door, no corrosion to be found, and it is all original paint. Exactly what you want to see on a vehicle like this one. Even the place where the seats mount to the floor aren't rusting away. That's a very common area I've seen in these Jeeps. It shows signs of winter use. Now let's hop around to the rear storage area. Nice carpeted floor. See, we do have the all-weather mats with this vehicle as well. Rear, driver, and passenger. And all around it looks very nice in here. See the back of the seats and all the plastics on the inside. Back here look very nice. Rear bumpers, a nice gloss black, complements the orange very well. So if you have any further questions regarding this 2015 Wrangler, please reference our listing at alphacars.com. There's plenty more data about the vehicle's paint readings, brake pad depth, and other factors. You can find any relevant contact info via alphacars.com. We hope to hear from you soon. This vehicle is going to make somebody very happy. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.